Hello, this is the DJ Robot, and yes, Ratchet and Clank. Yes, sorry. Yes, I'm playing Ratchet and Clank collection, and I'm in this level. Well, this is to be a. Alright. Now, sorry. Sorry about that. I was busy. So hopefully this will be okay. And now I'm gonna say something about this game. This music kind of is great. I don't know if it's catchy. If it is, let me know in the comments. Sorry, there was the music stuck in my head. Although not all. Now I'm looking at the mission, and they said here, find the pilot helmets. So that's it. That's only this mission. However, in the reboot game, yeah, I always press the circle because sometimes it reminds me when I'm playing the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 3. I mean, this is the like PlayStation 2 version, but they put it in the PlayStation 3. Right. Now. Yeah, sometimes I'm not sure if you're hearing clear with my head, my microphone. I think that's what they call it. I'm not smart. Now, yeah, I'm gonna have to aim this guy, although he didn't get on the turret. Seriously, why you did not get in the turret? Now, like I said, the music is great, but I'm not sure if they do the same music or remix in the rebooting. You know, Ratchet and Clank PlayStation 4. Now, if I remember on the weekend and something going on, well, Nintendo, like they showing a new game, which is some of them I'm impressed. Although the Kirby game, well. That is interesting. I mean, Battle Royale, I should try that. The other thing, oh man, Mario Party. Oh wait, you know, I don't want to talk too much on Nintendo because since I'm playing the PlayStation 3, I should talk about the PlayStation 3. But I'll talk with some Nintendo because Mario Party top 100 minigames. No, seriously, 100 minigames. Although I'm not sure if they did put the 100 minigames. Because I hope, because if it's not, then that is not 100. But seriously, some of the minigames are bad. Well, not all of them. Seriously, I wanted to try all of them. I mean, I wanted to play all of them because it's bring back. Oh, they say they're gonna bring the board game, but is it the same or not? You never know. Yeah, I got it. Double hit. And yep. I shouldn't seen that coming. I really wanted to get the weapon.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Maybe that or that. Honestly, I want it, but not this time again. I have an idea to get the weapon, but well, you'll see. Well, hopefully this will be, now, there's something I wanted to talk because Sonic Forces, you all discussed you all watching the video on the chat, you know, when they upload it, you all discussing about the Sonic trailer, which is, I hope you did see the trailer, story trailer with the English sub. I'm not sure if I'm reading right because they say Eggman is planning to destroy their world or reality. I don't know, because if what they say their reality, that would be worse. What the heck, Eggman? Look, I don't know if any of you guys favorite Dr. Eggman villain, but A-Man he knew, he wanted to conquer the world. I mean, now he planned to destroy. I mean, I don't know, reality, like, he wanted to change something, but I don't know, that would be okay, because that happened. Well, I don't know how to say that. That's worse when you're trying to destroy reality. Although, well, I'm not sure that's evil, but, you know, because... honestly, I can't say it for sure. You know Dr. Robotnik, he is definitely a good villain. I mean, he is threatening, like he turned everyone into a robot side. You know, robot version. I'm like, A-Man, doesn't A-Man wanted to change all being into robot version? I can't make it word right. But anyway, A-Man may be a villain, but he's not one of my favorite characters. Plus, you all know that the Sonic and Mega Man comic, I mean, that is interesting. I mean, well, sometime I wanted to see rebooting Mega Man. Yeah, reboot. That would be interesting, but I wanted to discuss that another time, but, yeah, another time. Now, sorry, I can't say it right. Although, there is something I should tell. Now, there is something I want to tell you about the... You know, I don't have a 3DS. I once had a 3DS and 2DS, but here's the thing. My 3DS got stolen somehow. See, when I was in the high school, I was doing in the gym, and I don't know how, but I think my 3DS got stolen. Huh. I can't believe it. It got stolen. I did not see that coming. And my 2DS, the one they look like for the child, well, I somehow broken. You see, I was trying to charge my 2DS, but it did not work. I think I must have broken. Man, every time it happened to me. Well, I might get a new 2DX extra large, but I might get an orange one. I hear they're gonna bring the orange. Technically not the orange, but with white, that will be okay. Also, you know, I wanted to play the Star Wars Battlefront 2. I didn't get a chance to play the first one, but the second, well, sorry. Well, I really wanted to play, although it's too bad there's one thing. Yeah, I wanted to play the robot, you know, the drone. No, what are they called? The rebel. The droid? I think that's what they call the droid. Sorry. Yeah, so I wanted to play the droid, but the other thing I wanted to play the bounty hunter. You know, the lizard guy from the first game. Although, too bad though. I wanted to play it, but I don't know if they bring that lizard guy, or I don't know what kind of type of alien is. You know, the bounty hunter part. Yeah, you're all excited to see the Boba Fett. You know. Oh, Jango Fett? I don't remember. I forgot their name. You know, the first, you know, the episode 2 Star Wars. But, we should try some different character. I mean, yes, we're all excited to see Boba Fett and the other, but you guys should try the other bounty hunter.
You have acquired a pilot.
I know that,
Manufactured
you know.
by the These will allow you to fly jet fighters via neural.
But you should try all the bounty hunter. Although, what about there's something I've been thinking. What about the, how do you say, the Clone Wars series? Yeah, what about the Clone Wars series? I mean, I've been meaning to ask, Oh, and yeah, sorry about that. I got the helmet now. I forgot what the Ratchet's saying. Sweet or awesome? Anyway, there's something out yet. I'm going down to the hole to get the gold bolt. Yeah. Now this one is difficult. Really. This is difficult for me. Ooh. Anyway, yeah, the Clone Wars series, I mean, shouldn't they put some character from Clone Wars in Star Wars Battlefront 2? I mean, sure, sure, it could be, like, not all, maybe some, because, we didn't try to, I mean, I don't know if you played it, I can't say it right, I can't say it down. I can't even remember. I know we waited to play Dark Maul, or I think. What about the other character, Ahsoka, or well, I'm not sure they put a General Grievous in Star Wars Battlefront 2, but I hope they did because I wanted to play this guy. Sure, he's not a Jedi, but that guy is interesting. I mean, yeah, it's sort of like the collection. Well, I don't know. Is he the collection character or something? Anyway, I have one left live. Yeah, this is bad for me, really. I hope I can make it. If I don't, and there it goes. Hard and soft. And I'm back here, which is. I thought I'll be, you know, middle, but well, I thought I'd be inside, but they wanted to put it like that. So hopefully, if they, I don't know if they did put a character from Clone Wars series, but you never know. Well, as I said before, Sonic Mania, I wanted to get the disc, not the full, not the inside of online. Yeah, because let's just say that don't want to spend money on online. I did spend, but some of them I wasn't expecting them. I mean, it's like I wanted the game, but they gave me something to. Now I can't actually hear the music now because I'm using the microphone. So when I play the game, the music is kind of not catchy, but it's great. Sorry, I'm not sure if you're listening or not, but it's sort of. Can you believe it? What the heck? Well, you know, they say dead. No way. I can't see how heavy people like. These people like dead, no big surprise. I don't want to steal that heavy line, but like you said, no big surprise. But yeah, but I can't say that. No, really. Really, I can't say that. Where did I go? I got nothing. Although I wasn't planning to make a top 10 favorite character or top 5 or anything. I wish I had more time, but I'm being lazy. Well, anyway. So, yeah, Sonic, okay, you know what Sonic Forces I mentioned? You know, the trailer, the story trailer? The other thing is interesting, Knuckles is the leader? Really? Is Knuckles ready for that? I mean, are we all ready to see Knuckles being the leader? Oh, are you for real? I just killed 4 times. 4 times. Ah, did not see that coming. I hope it doesn't go too long. Right, so... this would be interesting. Knuckles, the leader. And yes, I paused it, sorry for that. And now I'm back. Excuse me. Excuse me. Anyway, like I said, Knuckles is the leader. This would be interesting. I mean, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Now, what was that? You know, in Sonic 4, there are only Sonic rival. I don't know if one of them is a Sonic rival, but there's I forgot the name. I forgot the name of the name. Sorry, I said lame. What the heck? Plus me. Anyway, I should let you know, I did not watch Angry Bird, but I did see some clips. The red guy said, man, you know, I feel better when I read that. Love my life. Ooh, that's good. Love my life. Look, that felt something different. That felt okay. Oh no, that's a different. But seriously, that is okay when you say that. Love my life. Anyway. So we'll see if any of you play Sonic Wars. You'll see how interesting of Knuckles is the leader. Too bad we didn't get a chance to play Knuckles. Yet we played Knuckles in Sonic Hero, but like they say in the review, that doesn't mean that the game is good. The gameplay is, although it's not only the gameplay, but some of the story annoying. I mean, yes, we're living in a 2017, but think about their fantasy and their story. But if any of you doesn't like it, well, like especially Kingdom Hearts. I can't believe they put Toy Story in Kingdom Hearts game. Huh? And this is interesting, not alternate reality, just the, pre-equal to Toy Story 1, or equal, or whatever you say that. I mean, this should be interesting, really. Although, I hope this is the end of Xehanort. I mean, let's face it, that Xehanort guy, I think it's kind of a bit annoying. Like, I wanted to destroy that guy. But who knows? Maybe this is the end. But if this is the end of Xehanort, they say that doesn't mean the end of the Kingdom Hearts game. They might make more, but if they wanted to do that, they might put in another villain and I mean, this time Maleficent, she's a part of the villain, but her roles had to be something else. Like, yeah, I tried to touch that thing, but I thought it was a fake, but it's actually real lava thing, and I just got hit. I have 1 life, and there I am, safe and sound. And look, there is Gold Bolt, or you say the Gold Bolt. So, like in Maleficent, this would be interesting. Her role this time, not a villain. I mean, Maleficent is an interesting villain. Just like A-Man and Wily and Dr. Cortex, that Maleficent gather all the villains from another world to get something, but it's kind of a bit too bad. It's somewhat like their rival. Well, I wouldn't say rival, but what do you think of this? Is Maleficent a rival like Ridley or A-Man? Let me know in the comments. But seriously, Maleficent should have been she should be a final battle just for once, but instead they put Ansem and Zemnis, and now they're gonna put Xehanort in the 3rd game. But hopefully Xehanort will be finished. I mean, I'm not saying he's bad or something, but let's face it, he's something else. He's a huge villain. I mean, he should take over the Terra body. wow. Just wow. I was not expecting that happen. But you know, in the Kingdom Hearts first game, well, actually, I don't want to tell about that, but maybe another time. But yeah, maybe Maleficent will not be a villain in not her role, not in the Kingdom Hearts 3, but hopefully in the future of Kingdom Hearts, if she'll be the villain, then you know, like the old times, get a villain from another world, and her role as a true villain. Not true villain inside. I shouldn't have said that. As a villain. Anyway, while I'm doing this part, I have to destroy these enemy tanks. The one from the previous level I go. I have to destroy them, and I get the skill point. I know, it is kind of annoying, but I wanted to do this just for once. It's a good thing they didn't put it in the reboot. You know, Ratchet and Clank PlayStation 4. Now, speaking of which, interesting that Spider-Man is coming back, and this time will be different. But there's something that I hope they'll be there, you know, Rhino, hopefully maybe Doc Ock. I mean, we all know Doc Ock is one of the villains from Spider-Man, and he is number 1. No, seriously. I mean, he knows Spider-Man and he wants to learn something, and seriously, this will be interesting. Doc Ock, I mean, I'm not sure if he'll be the new Spider-Man game, but who knows. Kinda wish, because, yes, Kingpin? That's his name, Kingpin? I don't know. It's one of the Spider-Man villains, but let's face it, we all know the villain number 1 is the Doc Ock, but I mean, why we need him? Why we need Kingpin in a new Spider-Man game? Why we need him? Well, there's a good reason for that. And another character, the villain, I mean, who is he? I mean, if you know that new villain, the new Spider-Man game, the trailer, let me know in the comments who that new guy, I mean, what the power he has. And the other interesting, that at the end of the trailer, there were Miles Morales? I forgot. I don't know if he'll be playable, but I kind of wish that, or if you think it's Miles, Spider-Man, Miles universe, that he, not universe, sorry, seriously, Miles Morales in game, maybe we'll try to play and we'll see how it goes. So, yeah. And the other part, I'll try to upload a video of Call of Duty Infinity Warfare, because I see that something happened at the end of a trial, but I think I'm still going on the multiplayer. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Anyway. Honestly, there's nothing else I can say. I mean, the other thing I should tell you about I don't want to tell you this, but the Sonic, the YouTube channel I watch, interesting Sonic Mania Nemesis Revenge. Okay, this is interesting. They bring hard-boiled egg. That is awesome, and yeah, that is awesome to see the hard-boiled heavy. Sorry, I said egg, didn't I? I meant the heavy, which is these guys. I like it that they're interesting. I did told you that, so I'm gonna quick talk. One of them I like is the heavy gunner. Yeah, it should have been a heavy police, but we'll see how it goes. I don't know the band name or they name it. No. Let's see. Not sure. I don't want to say. Oh, if you ask about the Dark Soul well, I don't like Dark Souls. I mean, I first admit that game is something that incredible. It was great and it was a good idea. But to see the gameplay, I don't feel comfortable. Weirdly, I don't know if I get raised or something. Did I get a skill point? I don't know. I think I did. Even I forgot to say there's a gold bolt. I think I did get the skill. So I hope I got nothing to say. You know, but I would say that Super Mario Odyssey is interesting, and this time, well, I'll tell you it another time. Honestly, that's all I can say. Even that's all I can say. I mean, yeah. Like I said in the Ratchet and Clank, although I didn't check the review of Ratchet and Clank, the first game, they did review, didn't they? What about the collection? I forgot, I should check. And let's face it, if what they say is so-so, then I totally agree. Even I got a glitch or something like that or something. But, yeah, that's the end of this level, I think. So, the music is great. I like that music. Let me know if this music is annoying. Alright, that's all for today. If you like, leave a like and leave a comment below. Bye.